Your front door is more than just an entry point, it's a defining feature of your home's personality. In Rockford, where architectural styles range from classic and traditional to more modern designs, choosing a custom replacement door is one of the best ways to enhance both curb appeal and functionality. With the right design, your door can reflect your home's character while meeting your everyday needs. One of the biggest advantages of custom replacement doors is the ability to match your home's architectural style. In Rockford, many homes feature distinctive details such as brick exteriors, decorative trim, or historic elements. A custom door allows you to complement these features rather than settling for a one-size-fits-all option. Whether your home has a traditional look or a more contemporary feel, you can design a door that blends seamlessly with its overall aesthetic. Material selection plays a key role in both appearance and performance. Custom doors are available in a variety of materials, including wood, fiberglass, and steel. For homeowners who love a classic, timeless look, wood doors offer natural beauty and rich textures. Fiberglass doors provide the look of wood with added durability and lower maintenance, while steel doors deliver exceptional strength and security. Choosing the right material ensures your door not only looks great but also performs well in Rockford's changing weather conditions. Design flexibility is where custom doors truly stand out. From panel configurations to glass inserts, you can personalize every detail to suit your preferences. Decorative glass options, such as frosted, etched, or patterned designs, allow you to add visual interest while maintaining privacy. Side lights and transoms can also be incorporated to bring in more natural light, creating a brighter and more welcoming entryway. Color and finish choices further enhance your home's exterior. A bold, eye-catching color can make your front door a focal point, while a more subtle tone can create a cohesive, elegant look. In Rockford neighborhoods, where homes often reflect individual style, a custom finish helps your property stand out while still fitting in with the surrounding architecture. Beyond aesthetics, custom replacement doors offer significant functional benefits. Energy efficiency is a major consideration for homeowners, especially with seasonal temperature changes. Modern doors are designed with insulated cores and weather-tight seals that help maintain indoor comfort. This reduces drafts and can lower energy costs over time, making your home more efficient year-round. Security is another important factor. Custom doors can be built with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems that provide enhanced protection. Knowing your entryway is secure gives you peace of mind while also adding value to your home. Proper fit is another advantage of going custom. Older homes in Rockford may have unique door sizes or slightly shifted frames over time. A custom replacement door is designed to fit your exact opening, ensuring a snug installation that prevents air leaks and improves overall performance. This precise fit also contributes to a cleaner, more polished appearance. Durability and low maintenance are also key benefits. High-quality custom doors are built to withstand daily use and exposure to the elements. With the right materials and finishes, your door can resist warping, cracking, and fading, keeping it looking great for years with minimal upkeep. Another benefit homeowners appreciate is the opportunity to improve accessibility and functionality. Custom designs can include features such as wider openings, upgraded hardware, or easier-to-use handles, making your home more convenient and comfortable for everyone. Ultimately, a custom replacement door is an investment in both style and performance. It enhances your home's curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, and provides the security and durability you need. For homeowners in Rockford, choosing a custom door means creating an entryway that truly reflects your home's architecture and your personal taste. With the right design, your front door becomes more than just an entrance, it becomes a statement piece that welcomes you home every day.